Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will demonstrate on how to add funds to your BullX.io account step by step. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit the BullX.io official website. You have to log in using your credential. As you can see, I am having some problem. Let me see. You have to visit this website, BullX.io official website. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up and you can deposit. Tap on to connect. You will see their Telegram bot account. So now once you are logged in the find deposit check section, this is usually under funds, wallet or similar menu. Find that option. First of all, you have to connect to Telegram. BullX.io. Wait, let me see. BullX. So keep. You have to choose your deposit method. Then let's move forward to the next step. If depositing cryptocurrency will be provided a unique wallet address for the selected coin, copy the address carefully for tokens like XRP, XLM, etc. Don't forget the memo or tag if one is provided. Omitting the memo tag can result in lost funds. Now send funds from external wallet. You have to go to external wallet, then initiate a send withdrawal transaction. You have to paste the wallet address and memo, enter the amount of the how much money you want to transact, and that's it. You have to verify the deposit now, and then you can deposit via fiat if supported. Now check deposit fees and limits. Always check deposit fees and minimum and maximum deposit limits. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.